Mesdames et messieurs, welcome to this atypical flat in the 7th street of Paris, 200 meters away from Rue du Bac and 400 meters away from Invalides, which is very central. Please enter. Once you arrive into the corridor, you will have a door opening to a very nice bedroom, as you can see, with an amazing view on the roof. So you have a bed for 2 persons and a nice wardrobe just here to be able to stock everything you need in your everyday life in Paris. Then we will continue the visit into the corridor directly to arrive in the bathroom. Please come in. In the bathroom you have a sink, a toilet, a mirror, and of course a shower. You can appreciate the details in this pink mood bathroom.
The spacious living room is composed by an old parquet which is surrounded by all the flat. On your left you got a sofa bed convertible for 2 persons, 2 small closets, bookshelves to put your books and everything else, and as well as a bigger closet which allows you to have dishes and glasses. On your right you have the table with 4 chairs with an outstanding sight on the roof of Paris. On the left of this elegant flat you will find a fully equipped kitchen. It is composed by a oven, a sink, and a hidden fridge. Several small closets will allow you to store your food and beverage.